Welcome to my channel. Hi. Today we are making this the idombolo microwave. We like TikTok. Yeah. I'm just a spectator here. We have her that is doing the idombolo. I just tell her what to do. So first you're gonna have flour, sugar, yeast, olive oil, and salt. So you take 4 cups of flour, put it inside. Next you take 1 cup sugar, put it inside. Okay, it's sugar to taste, so you just put 1 cup and then other fats I'll mix, so we'll just taste if it's fine. And then also do like huh? Oil, I say 1 tablespoon. Make the olive oil or oil. Tablespoon oil. You can use any oil. Or 2 tablespoons of oil. A pinch of salt. Okay, a handful. A pinch of salt. And about half a packet yeast. But I think she's gonna put all of it because ever since from when yeast is immeasurable.
Motherfucker will like Kenya 1.
Yeah.
Ricky move.
They Kenya kaofela. And 1.5 cup of water. This is a messy video because she's in a rush. So yeah. Of warm water.
No. I don't know if I was even supposed to make it like that.
Hello YouTube channel.
Say welcome to Nandi's YouTube channel.
Yeah, so you mix. My turn to mix. I think it's better mix a lot of it.
Or when I put it
Just have my Mix with the hands. Mix with your hands. It's better that way. After doing what she did, and then you close, and we are going to try and look for the sun even though there's no sun. We are on our way to look for the sun because yeah, and I'm even wearing a hoodie. Okay, like any shade. The only shade is this lemon tree, but it's not that hectic. Otherwise, where's sun? There's Mr. Sun, kind of. So you're just gonna leave it there for I don't know how long. Oh, until it dries. I think for like 15 minutes. We're gonna leave it there, and then I don't know what's gonna happen next. Yeah. So we just fetched it and it smells like kombucha. So we're gonna put it in for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes.
Here goes nothing.
Yeah, it's Okay. Moment of truth. So we are going to check if ibutswitse ka thipa. It's in. Imetsi ma. Ka go tshwanela ba metsi. Ibutswitse.
Kicking it somewhere else.
Yay! Ibutswitse. Ra taste.
1, 2, 3.
It looks really cute. Cut it. Cut it. Woo! Cut it. Kanta ya butsa ba masai.
Go.
Okay. Moment of truth. Tastes like a pancake, but it's a dumbolo. It's nice. It tastes like dumbolo. I think it's like a dumbolo. I thought it's me and Brad. It's for dumbolo.
Maybe it's like a microwave.
I think bites are in cups because you
Yeah.
see how it runs. It is great. It's great.
Amazing.
Amazing. Not Debonaise, but amazing. It's like fairies. Floating.
Yeah, in chocolate.
I don't know. Man, that advert, it was a natural cupcake. That anyways, we are done. We are done. Okay, so sugar. Now don't put 1 cup of sugar because it tastes like a pancake, but it's nice. I'm sure it's nice. But again, oxtail. Yeah, just put. We tell Gogo 1 tablespoon per cup of flour. So because we put 4 cups, we were supposed to put 4 tablespoons, but we put 1 cup of sugar. But it's really nice. It looks cute, tastes cute, and yeah. Thank you for watching. This is the end. Hope you enjoyed. Where we got the thingy from, I'll put it in the description box. Where we got this whole recipe thing. But anyways, bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Boy.